हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सभी। आज चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना वर्कआउट।
Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't be
Round
long.
one.
Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and it won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I
3,
got you.
2, round 1.
Sweep the streets I used to own.
3, 2, 1, stop. Round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2,
I
1,
used to
go.
roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me.
3, 2,
I discovered
1, stop.
that my castle stand upon
Round 3.
pillars of salt.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Now
go.
he's thinking about me every night. Oh, see that sweet I kiss so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's not me. It's
Round 1.
Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's not me. It's
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
यहीं ख़त्म होता है मेरा वर्कआउट। मिलूंगी बहुत जल्दी आपको अपने अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।